let me know what you want me to do next. Should I do the goatee? Should I do the Papa Tuttle? Should I do the Juan Valdez?
Should I shave or should I grow?
All right, guys, so today is actually going to be, I'm actually just going to have some fun. I've been growing the beard now for probably around a month. And I've been telling you guys that I was going to put a beard on come fall, because dealing with a beard psychologically in the summer when it's hot and it's humid and it's sticky. But, I let the stubble grow past a week, and then you look at yourself and you're like, wow, I wonder what a beard would look like. And it looks good, and you're letting it grow. So I'm going to have some fun and just play today. And today is going to be a Gillette day. So if you have an aversion to Gillette, I'm not getting political here, but if you don't like Gillette, this is not going to be a shave for you. But I'm going to have some fun. It's going to be all Gillette, wall to wall. Now, about a year and a half, 2 years ago, Gillette started to look at the beard segment, and they looked at an opportunity to bring in more folks. I know it's counterintuitive because they do things that hurt their base, and then they try to bring, let's not get into that. Anyway, so today I'm going to be doing a beard cleanup. And I'm going to be using the products designed to help folks like you and me clean up our beards. So let's go through the products. We're going to start off with the King C Gillette Beard and Face Wash. This is a dynamite product. So I'm going to clean the neck. And basically I'm going to be doing a cleanup. So I'll clean the neck, I'll clean the beard, I'll clean the face. It's wonderful. It's got a nice coconut water, just very mild smell to it. You can use it daily. It leaves your beard nice and soft, and it's just great. So that's going to be the starting shot. For trimming the beard, so you don't make mistakes, they offer their transparent gel. So this was interesting to me. I think it was Mark Fuentes who told me about transparent gel. Used so you can see what you're cutting. You put a rich lather on or a heavy foam. It can really hinder seeing the line you want to keep. So we're going to be using their transparent gel, King C Gillette. I'm going to show you 2 razors for 2 sides of the fence. If you're into a classic double-edged razor, well, we have that here. A beautiful long-handled double-edged razor, branded and designed and marketed to help you trim your beard. Mild head, and the King C Gillette blades, which are a nice mild razor. Very good for a beginner. If you're just getting into double-edged shaving, this is a nice razor to start with. It's hefty, 3-piece design. So you spin that top off, you load your blade, and you're good. All right? We're going to be using that. But we're also, for the cartridge lovers, I'm giving you everything today. We're going to be using the neck razor, which is a rebranded skin guard. So again, about a year and a half, 2 years ago, if my math is correct, Gillette introduced their skin guard product, 2 blades with this patented rubber or plastic guard, lots of lubrication, lots of protection, and this is designed to help reduce irritation, to help provide a smooth shave, mitigate your ingrown hairs, and it's branded King C Gillette. And it's a wonderful razor to really get in there and do some trimming. And it also has a precision trimmer on the back. So 2 blades of fun, precision trimmer, you know, your pivoting head. And we'll be using that today. Maybe for pass 2. Or maybe pass 1. Be following the shave up today with King C Gillette's Soft Beard Balm. And I'll be showing you their beard oil. So beard oil really helps when you get a longer growth. And I'm kind of getting to that point. When you get those itchies and, you know, you just want to cut it off because at night you're like, well, beard oil helps to condition the skin, to moisturize it, to soothe that itch, and really nourish the skin and the beard. So we'll be using the beard balm, and I'll be showing you this beard oil. So without further ado, like my boy Dan Hand says, let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rub some near hot water, and we will be just getting the neck ready to receive the blade with this wonderful King C Gillette beard and face wash. Guys, all the products here, if they're available on Amazon, there will be a link below so you can pick them up, have them shipped right to you. That way you'll be doing something for you and something for me. And you know, guys, that is a win-win. Let's get cracking. Near hot water. Just a little bit. Ooh. Just a little bit of this will do. Oh, guys, just has a wonderful smell. And it's a beard and face wash. So you can really do just that. Get it into the beard. And really get your face nice and clean too. More near hot water. Oh, that's nice. That is so nice. So now I've got a hot washcloth and I'm steaming up and I'm getting ready to really make this beard look great because I'm going to neaten up or clean up the beard. You see where I've gone 2 fingers up from my Adam's apple and started this line. And we have some new stubble, so I'm going to get rid of that. And when you do that, when you maintain that beard, it looks just wonderful, guys. Wonderful. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go with the double-edged razor for pass number 1. And then we'll go with the neck razor for pass number 2. The King C Gillette branded blade. And I'm gonna make sure that blade is seating correctly. And we'll put the transparent shaving gel just a little bit, if you can see that. Very light smell to this. And it gives you a little bit of just a little bit of a lather. But you can see what you're cutting, guys. Maybe some up here. We'll do an edge around here. All right, this is a nice hefty razor again. It's got some knurling here so it's not slippy. although it's smooth at the bottom. Now we're going to be going with the grain, and we're going to come up right up to that edge, to that line that I've developed. And we're going to shave down. Oh, nice and smooth. Lots of protection with this transparent shave gel. Wonderful. Like a hot knife through butter. Now, since I'm doing 2 passes, or maybe I'll do 3 passes. I'll do the final pass with the neck razor, the skin guard. So I'm leaving the hair down here, the hair under my chin. I'm leaving that longer. So if I do want to continue to grow the beard and I want to have some heft to the beard, that's going to provide a nice baseline. I got that from my boy, the Egyptian dude, who is the connoisseur of beardship. He's a beards man. Let's go with a little bit more. And what I'm doing right now is just applying a little bit more water to bring that gel that's already on my skin out. And I'm gonna go with the cross grain pass. So I'll take that blade and just take it across the grain. 2 sides to a double edge razor, use them both. And I'm taking it slow, being mindful of, again, the line I have. I don't want to nip into that because that will cause you, it'll cause you to have to start all over. And up here, we'll use the cross grain. And we'll just trim any of those stray hairs. To line up the beard, to sharpen that up. Ah, very nice, guys. Very, very nice. All right, 2 passes in the books. Beautiful razor, guys. Again, if you're just getting into wet shaving, the double-edged razor game, this is a good novice razor. Good heft to it, good length. Again, very ergonomically friendly. I'd suggest it. Link in the description box below. So now I'm going to add a little bit more near hot water. Keep the pores open for my final pass. And I'll add just a little bit more of this transparent shaving gel. It has a nice light lemony smell to it, guys. And again, I'll put it above the beard. Now this is the smoothest shave of all you're gonna get. Very smooth and protective. So I'll use that to do my final pass, which will be the against grain pass. So I'll flip the blade up and I'll just shave up, and it's smooth. Whisper smooth, guys. I'll use this around the Adam's apple, which can be a problem spot. And I'll just take that all the way up until I feel that resistance, guys. Beautiful. Now, 2 blades of fun, but you do have the precision trimmer on the back, which I'll use to just neaten up those stray hairs. And if I wanted to do more detailing, this would be the perfect device to do it. I could use that right up to that line to trim up right up to that line up. And again, the last time I talked about just leaving this here to grow down, not trimming up here, because if I wanted to do a flare out, I'd give myself a nice base for that. So now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna rinse off with cool or cold water. That'll close the pores. And then I'll show you the beard oil and the beard balm. Looks good, right? Nice, neat, and fresh. I'm gonna show you these two products to help keep the skin nice and moisturized, keep the beard soft, groomed, and manageable. The first is the essential. It's beard oil, guys. And this King C Gillette beard oil has nice softening properties. Just 2 drops at the length I'm at. And I'm gonna take this beard oil and I'm actually gonna massage it past the hair. If you wanna apply beard oil to the skin. So against the grain, just pushing that oil into the skin. Nice subtle scent. Yeah. Feels good. Again, it'll moisturize the skin. It'll really help to mitigate that beard itch. Now, another product, this is a product I love. This is King C Gillette's Soft Beard Balm. When you're first starting off your beard, this is more useful. Helps to soften. It has a very nice smell to it as well. This helps to soften the beard. I like to take a little bit, dime size. And I wouldn't do these stacked. I would do them on alternating days. Maybe you do the beard balm while your beard is shorter, scruff to short beard. And maybe in the mornings, and maybe do the beard oil at night. I mean, that's what works for me. So I wouldn't put them on together. But the beard balm, what I like to do is I like to use a boar's bristle brush and just apply that product, or apply a nice brushing after I put the product in, because it helps to spread the product out more uniformly, and it really helps to straighten some of those flyaway hairs. It looks good, it feels good, well on my way to a very nice, manageable beard. All right, guys, as always, I want to thank you for watching. This has been a lot of fun. I'll see you maybe tomorrow or the next day. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing. Play. Now, roll the music.